Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to merge PDF files into one PDF file. See, I have three PDF files. This is PDF 1. I have saved this like this one page. This is second PDF, and this is the third PDF. So I'm going to show you how do we merge all these 1 2 3 PDF into one PDF, and that's all for free. You don't have to install any software or anything. Okay, it's very simple. Okay, so first what I want you is to open the Google Chrome. Okay, I'm going to share you one website which you have to click. The name is merge PDF online. You will directly get a link. This website, ILovePDF. This is a very great website to merge PDF for free. No login, nothing is required from your end. Okay, you just have to go to this site and click on select PDF files. Okay, then I'm going to select these three PDF 1 2 and 3. Okay, so just a second. Okay, now PDF 1 2 3, just press Ctrl, then select the PDF file which you want to merge. Now click on open. So these PDF files, you can see the preview over here. Okay, and suppose if you want this one to be the second page, you can also adjust the page accordingly as per your preferences. Okay, and here you can, if you don't want, you can click on the cross button. You can also rotate the page. Okay, once you click, then here you will see button merge PDF. You just have to click on merging PDF. Okay, the PDFs have been merged. Just click on start download and done. The PDF is now downloaded. Okay, I'm going to paste this PDF into the desktop so that you can see. Okay, these were the three PDFs, and this is the merged file, this one, which I just okay, I'm going to show you again. See, this was of only one page, PDF 2 is also one page, and now this is the PDF 3, it is also one page. Okay, now there should be total of 3 pages, PDF 1 plus 2 plus 3, and here is the merge file. So if I double click on page number 1, page number 2, and here is page number 3, you can see. So it's very simple. Okay, and I'm going to share the link of the website so you can also convert it for free. Thank you.